single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Like, oh, why did my hair look like that? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a tutorial as to how I do my 4C hair on a daily basis or whenever I'm going out. So I'm just going to do my normal ketchup style with maybe I do with extensions, maybe not, but you know, here goes. Hey, why am I ever dancing in music videos? Like there's no song, like there's like cartoon in the background that my little, you know, relatives are watching. Anyways, let's get this video on the road.
It's Remnant. Na 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 na. David descendant. Whoa 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 whoa. Good lie. Good lie. It's Remnant. Oh yeah. Good life is a liberty. It's not about vanity. Good life is a liberty. Have more love for humanity. About vanity. Good life is a liberty. Have more love for humanity. When it's alive, me mean life over death. Till you get a youth, them say your money for your check. When it's alive, me mean the love I manifest. Inna the south and the east and the west. When it's alive, me trading with my empress. She alone can give me happiness. Me go so then, right now me say alive. Me believe in Haile Selassie is the real king. Good life is a liberty. About vanity. Good life is a liberty. Have more love for humanity. Good life is a liberty. It's not about vanity. Good life is a liberty. Have more love for humanity. Run to the river, run to the sea. Right, I know Messiah life, me a pray. You agree? Make me see. The youths them on them journey. Me go so then cover the earth like a cloud with music. Good music, the people need it. Discretion of a man, different is anger. So you better believe it. Good life is a liberty. It's not about vanity. Good life is a liberty. Have more love for humanity. Good life is a liberty. It's not about vanity. Good life is a liberty. Make we wanna joy. Time for we build and no time for destroy. Right now we not ease up. Right now we not seize up. Right now we not freeze up. No matter with sand and rough. Who want a mutual? No we not rust. No we not suck. We never give it up. Good life is a liberty. It's not about vanity. Good life is a liberty. Have more love for humanity.
Okay guys, so with this area of the video I was just telling you guys that what you can use to tie around the hair to get it to fit around the clip. So say you could use an elastic band, a scoogie, that's what we call it here in Jamaica, or you might call it scrunchie, I'm not sure. So just tie it around the hair, then put the opening around the clip, then you part the hair in two, and you just wrap it around the clip and use a hairpin and to just lock it in that it won't fall off your head. You can use more than one hairpin. Here I could not find any more, sorry. I don't know, like every time I buy my hairpin I end up losing them, sorry. So yeah, that's how I got it like this. It's not so like straight, but yeah, it don't always turn out perfect. So here I'm trying to achieve with baby hairs. I don't know if I, you know, got it right, but I tried. So just like use a swoop motion just to get the baby hairs laid. Just take my hand and press it down and take the toothbrush and swoop it into my hair. That's what I did it. Apply the gel, hold on the hair, then swoop it back. I was actually surprised that I got a bit of baby hairs, because when I normally putting braid in my hair, I find it that it takes out my edges, some of it. So yeah guys, that's it for this section. So I'm done.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ladi, ladi, ladi. Remnant, yes, positive. Bless. She's a strong black woman. She never weak black woman. She's a strong black woman. Tried into more fire. They never know you woulda make it, girl. Just in jar, you never have no fear. Made you vow to grow your hair. Your body is the temple, so you eat with care. Look at you now.
Thanks for watching guys. If you like, subscribe and comment positivity, okay? So this is my go-to look, you know, with my 4C hair. So always like this, sometimes comes out good, and then this time normally I would straighten my hair so that it can give the proper like volume, not really volume, like length, so I could easily catch up the hair. But because I washed it today, and after I washed it I did a protective style in it, like a normal plait, the hair like dry that way, and when I pull it out it's like shrink like the shrinkage of it. So because of that, it's not easy to catch it a lot in the back, but I tried, especially you know that people might have shorter lengths if they just transition to 4C hair, you know, like when they do the big chop, you have like small bit of hair, especially if it's not all that grown out. So yeah, I guess I can, you know, show persons with more shorter lengths how they can manage their hair. So I hope that you guys can actually put this in this style in your own hair if you desire. You can do it without the hair. You have the bigger part. So yeah guys, thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe, please guys, like and subscribe. That means a lot, and that helps me out a lot, a great deal. Okay, thank you guys. What my next video you think should be, comment down below so I can know. And I think I want to do like a YouTube tag, since I'm a new YouTuber, as to things about me that you might want to know. Okay, and never mind my sweat line is Jamaica and it's hot like wow. Yes guys, bye.